Hi, John. Big results. Big results coming first game of the season at Old Trafford. When you feel that they are building something special, momentum with the new signings, and they want to kick on the season in a good way, and you are able to come away with the win, I think very happy and proud of the team. Yes, because we showed it in a different way today. I think we did two things very well. One, to take the set piece and then react to especially mistakes. Some of them are necessary, some of them unusual. But the way every single player reacted to that gives us the opportunity to win the game. If not, it's impossible. And that's about how we compete and how much we want it, as you said.
Alex, big team. You said you showed different things there. How important is it to be able to show that for a season and get a win basically when you're not playing well?
Well, that gives you certainly momentum and confidence, two very important things. Because you know that when you're not at your standards in certain aspects, which today we weren't, being fair,
sure,
we can still come away and find a way to win the game. And the team has to find that resilience throughout the season for 10 months in different contexts to be able to do that. Of course, we have to improve a lot of things, and that will happen very soon. But in terms of managing to get that into a very positive results, that's a great way to do it. Hi.
There were moments in the games where attack and ball went away or the right pass wasn't made, and see you on the touchline getting quite frustrated. What needs to change in those moments where the right decision is made and those attacks turn into big change?
Well, when you see, I think there are 7-8 situations when the ball is completely open to play through and we are on, and we're attacking the keeper. And we give that ball away and then becomes a basketball game. And I got a basketball game against a team that is extremely good at finishing action with the quality that it had. That's a very difficult thing to do. And that's why I talk about the reaction to that. Because if you don't react in relation to that mistake quick enough, sharp enough, you're in big problem.
James, I think.
Can I ask your assessment of Victor Gyökeres today's Premier League debut? How do you think he got on?
Well, he did a lot of things very good. You can tell, especially in our high press and the rhythm that we demand, that especially in the first half we were giving a bit too much time. It's something that we have to work on him, especially there. And then, in finalizing situation, he didn't have that many chances to do that because, as I said, on the previous action before we had to play that last ball that the line was standing still with 40 meters behind, we then managed to put the ball through to exploit his quality. But overall, I mean, coming away to Manchester United, winning your first game with Arsenal, it's a good start.
yeah, true.
Hi.
Question about Calafiori.
He has the capacity to change the energy. He comes in this room and he changes the energy in the room, he changes the energy in the team. He has an aura, he has a presence that is special. And then he's a player that is very unpredictable for the opponent because he can occupy very different spaces. He can do things in and around your box, in the middle, in the opposition box, that is very difficult to predict. So, very happy with him.
Finally, it's going to be James. Yes, ma'am.
There was a time when Arsenal were called away against Orange, sort of feeling like we talk about it being maybe a mental block.
Well, I think that was the case. It was 18 years or 22 years here at Old Trafford without winning before I came.
Sure.
And now, I go in the dressing room, we won here the first game, and we are not still happy. Good sign.
Okay, guys.
Thank you guys. Thank you.